Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to announce that I will be posting every single week, Saturday 11 a.m. Alaska Standard Time. Y'all have been asking for videos for hair tutorials, all different kinds of things, and I'm so excited to start doing it every single week. Okay, let's get started. Today I'm doing a fast, easy tutorial on your ponytails. I think I messed that up. Let's try that again. We're gonna do a fast, easy twist ponytail today that when you're in a rush, when you're on the go, this is a fast way to get your hair done and look cute. Also, keep out of your way. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna show you the items that I use for this specific ponytail. So first of all, I use these small bobby pins you can buy at Sally's, and it comes in a big thing. I think it's like $250 or something like that. They're a little bit pricey, but they're definitely worth the money. Second, I am gonna use L'Oreal Lock-It Weather Control Hairspray. In Alaska, you definitely, I can't speak, definitely need the weather control. And then last but not least, I'm going to be using these hair ties. They are awesome because they do not cause any creases in your hair when you wear them in a ponytail. You can also find these at Ulta. They come in a pack of 3 and you can let it set and it'll go back to its normal size. If your hair is thick, this is perfect for it. Okay, I'm gonna get started on the hair. So first of all, you wanna make sure your hair is combed out. I like to do this on 2 to 3 day hair, and you wanna have like dry shampoo. So I already put my dry shampoo in and I'm ready to get started. So first of all, you're gonna grab up at your part, you're gonna grab one piece. You're gonna divide it in half and flip the back section under. Then you're gonna come up here to the front, add a section to the under piece, and then flip over. Got another section, then flip over. So you're just gonna do that all the way down to your desired length. So I'm just gonna grab another piece and flip under. Another piece and flip under. And also we will be pulling it out to your desired length in just a minute. Okay, now we are at the point where you're going to start pulling it out to however voluminous you want. So you hold this tight with this hand and start pulling the pieces out gently to give it the desired volume you want. This is the fun part because each person is unique and each person wants different size volume. So I like about that much volume to mine, and then here I'm gonna use pins. Can you hear this like bench squeaking every time I move? Okay, that's funny. So then you're gonna do pins. It's not working. There we go. You're gonna do pins at each desired place. So my hair tends to fall out easily, so this keeps it in place for you and keeps your desired look. Now I'm gonna add it all together into a ponytail. Probably should get my ponytail right. And then you can pull out pieces in the front to kind of frame your face. So I'm gonna pull out some, and you can also pull more if you need more volume up top. There you have it. Fast, easy braid. I hope you guys have a great day, and if you would like more videos like this, let me know in the comments section below. And also, if you try it, I want to see it and I want to know. If you have any questions, also let me know. For now, goodbye. I will see you next Saturday at 11 a.m. Alaska Standard Time.